day, dear follower of Geometry Tutorials. You are welcome to this edition of our program. In this program, I want to show you how to throw natural daylight into the interior of your building so as to make it bright, like we have in these two projects. Take a look at this project. You see this interior. It looks very bright because I threw natural daylight into it. Now, a look at this one we want to work on now. You see that it is dull. It is not bright. This is the maximum brightness this can have considering the time. The time is 12 noon here and the month is June. Of course, this 6 here means June. 20th day in the month of June at the time of 12 noon. This is what it looks like. This is what the interior of the building looks like. Assuming I change the time here to like 7 a.m. in the morning. Now it will look more dull. But it doesn't mean I cannot make this interior bright at 7 a.m. in the morning. I can do that. Well, let's go back to the time of 12 noon. Now, this is what we have. And we want to make this interior look very bright. Now, these are the things you do. First, click on your 2D view. Your 2D view will open. Once your 2D view opens, click on this diagram. It will show the position and the direction of the sun. This is the position of the sun. This is the direction. The direction of the sun is towards this way. Now, this is your camera. This red dot here means your camera. This blue dot means the focus or the direction of your camera. Your camera is positioned at this way and focused towards this side. Now, you will have to turn the sun around so that the sun will also focus towards the direction of the focus of the camera by using this red mark here. Move it around. Now, that is done. So the sun is now focused behind you and the direction now is towards the direction of the focus of the camera. Now, having done this, the next thing you do is you make sure that your time is already fixed. Look at what you do now. This is your sky. Move this your sky a little bit. Increase the value. Increase the value to 50. Do you observe something? It's looking brighter. There is increase in brightness in the interior. Now this pollution. You know what this pollution is? This pollution means the degree of clarity. The degree of clarity of light. When light strikes a surface, the degree of vision, the degree of neatness of vision you have is what this pollution is all about. A lower figure of this pollution gives you a dull look, a dull vision. A higher figure of it gives you a brighter. You observe something now. Watch what just happened now. Let me move it back to 20. Do you see what happens to the tone of the brightness? The tone of the brightness reduces. As we move down to 0, it reduces. If we move it to 100, it brightens more. So that is tone of vision. Now, the next thing you do, having increased it to this value now, next thing we do is click on your perspective here. Make sure this your 2D view is open. Click on this perspective. Now, you see this box here that has it is called show the clipping box in 2D view. Click on it. Something will just appear. You see what just appear now. If I click here again, it will go off. If I check it on again, this box will appear. Now, having checked this box on, the next thing to do is to activate that box by clicking on activate. Now, when you click on activate, look at what you do. We are going to cut off some part of this building so that natural light will flow from this side. Of course, you know we have our sun positioned towards here. Let me click on that again. You see the position of the sun, it is focused towards here. Now, I'm going to cut some part of this building from here. I'm going to cut them out so that this natural daylight from outside here will pour into this room. How do I do that? Follow the cursor. You see, this cursor, press down your mouse and drag this particular box. You see what happens? Keep moving it, and drop it somewhere here and stop. Make sure it doesn't cross this red dot, because if it crosses this red dot, it will give you wrong impression. So drop it behind this red dot and let exit this 2D view. And watch what happens now. What just happened now. Now, the interior of this room is looking very bright, but it's over bright at this spot here. So what do you do to tame the brightness and make it look moderate? You look at this spot here. These are shorter speed. Type in 200, the same value of the ISO. Type in 200 there. And click enter. It tames the brightness of the interior. With this, you have natural daylight from outside flowing into the interior of your room. This is one way to achieve a bright interior without the use of artificial lights. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Please, after watching this video, subscribe our channel, like our video, and also share it to your friends who will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.